Besides the real estate sector, I mean, that's a huge drop in prices. That's a huge potential crisis. Are there any other factors that you're very concerned about with the economy? I mean, obviously, besides the birth rate dropping and some of those other issues, but is there anything else that is front of mind for you?
Yeah, so let's face another reality. China's manufacturing capacity accounts for about 35% of the global capacity. Its consumption accounts for about 11%, okay, of the global consumption. You went to MIT, so you can do the quick math. What do you do with that gap? Okay, and Chinese population is about 17, 18% of the global population. So how do you resolve this gap between the consumption, the Chinese consumption, and the Chinese production? Well, one way to resolve that gap is that every country on earth buys nothing but from China. You tell me whether or not in the current geopolitical environment, this is going to be a viable option going forward. Look at the trade war. And also, let's just be clear. The trade war or protectionism is not just rising in Europe and in the United States. It is also rising among developing countries. Indonesia, India, Brazil, and other countries are also erecting trade barriers against Chinese products. Okay? So now you have this huge capacity, and relative to that capacity, quite modest consumption.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
And the difference is also going to be difficult for the rest of the world, even in the best case scenario, even if we ignore all the geopolitical complications that we have today. Let's just say that the world is a benign world and everybody loves each other. Even if you have that world, let's just say the world immediately after the collapse of the Berlin Wall, you're going to still have this huge absorption problem on the part of the rest of the world. You're going to have trade barriers and protectionism no matter what. Okay, so now you cannot export at the level that you were able to do before, and the domestic consumption is not coming up. What do? Right? The technical description of that is that you have to write down the capacity. Every time you write down the capacity, that is an economic slowdown. And more worryingly, once you write down the capacity, how do you generate the revenue that will pay back all these loans that the companies have taken out? That's going to spell troubles for the financial sector, for the banking sector, right? So in economics, everything is related with everything else. Once you have that process going on, companies write down their asset, write down their capacity, they're not going to increase employment. If they don't increase employment, you're not going to increase income. If you're not going to increase your income, where does the saving come from? So if you look at the bank has a lending side, The bank has a borrowing side. The bank borrows from you and me in order to lend to the companies. If the bank is no longer able to borrow as much as it could before from the rest of the society, it is going to limit their capacity to lend to the rest of the economy, to the rest of the society. I think I tremendously worry about getting into that spiral. Once you get into that spiral, anything can happen.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you.